Hey everybody, it is Dr. Julie Quinn here, and if you're looking at this video, you've made it to week 8. Note that your week may be a different week than what is stated here in this little screen, but this is week 8 of the course, and you'll notice that it's pretty light. You don't have any additional readings. You've done readings for all of the prior weeks. You've built on PARC concepts. You have worked on personas and writing instructions and condensed writing instructions with the Quick Start Guide. You've done an internal report to a supervisor. You have, hopefully within the next couple of hours, you will be finishing and posting your external briefing paper, which is similar in some respects. It's got some pieces of the puzzle that are the same as the report to a supervisor, as in you have an executive summary, you have a problems and solutions section, but some of the other features were different, certainly. And the final week assignment, other than your discussion for choosing a podcast topic and sharing your findings with classmates, so just one discussion this week, which is great. That's late. So what we're focusing on now is this final presentation. This is a really good opportunity for you to compile all of the data that you did in writing assignment number 4 and to refer back to it. And you're going to create slides. It can be Google Slides. It can be Prezi. Does that still exist? Well, if it does, you can use it. It can be PowerPoint. Doesn't matter to me. You'll do 4 to 7 minutes tops. This does not need to be particularly long. And you can use Screencast-O-Matic to record, or you can record audio on your slides. It doesn't really matter to me, as long as you double check that your content is readable. Because remember, this is going to be submitted the very last day of class, and I'm going to need to be able to grade them quickly to get you a final grade done in time. This is brief and to the point. In this assignment, you'll prepare a PowerPoint presentation. Again, I don't care which slide features you use. You can even do it in YouTube and then attach the link to the YouTube video, and I can watch your YouTube video. By the way, you can also save that YouTube video as a unlisted, so nobody else can see it unless they have that unique URL. So there are all sorts of ways that I'm comfortable with you submitting this assignment, and you're welcome to be creative. But this is not a graphic design course, so you don't have to. This is a follow-up report to Mr. Taylor. Your presentation comprises 8 slides, 5 to 8, and around 4 to 7 minutes in length. You must include 3 graphics. Yes, you're welcome to reuse graphics from the original report, but you're going to talk your way through the graphics. You're going to show, as a technical writer, that you understand and can explain graphics to an audience. You can explain data to an audience. That's super important. Okay, you've written a report to Taylor already about the concerns with law and order. Taylor has now asked you to give a summary of your report as a presentation to him and the IT team. Prepare these slides that summarizes the problem and solution. So you can have an introductory slide, 1 or 2 problem slides, 1 or 2 solution slides, and maybe a conclusion. That's a nice way to compartmentalize this assignment. You'll record this presentation by integrating audio and or a YouTube video or Screencast-O-Matic, however you want to do this, MP4 file, I think. I'm really flexible. If you want to work with me on this, you want to brainstorm your approach or the slides, you want to go over it together and draft, I will be available. Actually, I'll be available Monday and Tuesday. So just shoot me an email and we'll coordinate a time to discuss this. I look forward to working with you. I'm excited to read your final briefing papers, and this should be a wonderful capstone to your advanced technical writing course. I wish everyone great luck and I look forward to seeing your work.